Want to cancel your membership on Skool but don't know how? In this quick explainer, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can make sure your membership ends smoothly. Stick with me till the end, because I'll also show you a few Skool alternatives that might actually be a better fit for your needs. Let's get into it. To start off, if you've decided that Skool isn't for you anymore, the process of cancellation is relatively straightforward, but it's hidden a bit deeper than you'd think. First, log into your Skool account and go to the Settings section, located in the upper right corner. This is where most account-related changes happen. Next thing, under Account Settings, you'll find an option to manage subscriptions. This is where your membership details are located and where you can proceed to cancel. Click that option and you'll see all of your subscription information. Look for the option to cancel or unsubscribe. It's generally listed as an option to stop auto-renewal. The fourth thing, once you select the cancel button, Skool might ask you why you're leaving. This is an optional step, but taking a moment to give your feedback could help improve the service in the future. Then, confirm your cancellation and you're all set. Skool will send you a confirmation email, just to make sure everything's processed. Now, if you've already canceled your membership and you're wondering if you can get a refund for any unused time, unfortunately, Skool's refund policy isn't super flexible. They don't offer refunds for unused time after you've canceled, but it's always a good idea to double check with their support team just in case. That's all there is to it for Skool. But before you go, let's be honest here, Skool isn't for everyone. Its membership model and platform can be a bit too niche for some, especially if you're looking for something that offers more flexibility or better community interaction. Now, here's the kicker. There are some great alternatives out there that might be a better fit for your goals. We've done the research and found that Insert Competitor Name offers a more customizable, user-friendly interface, especially for those who want to create private communities with more engagement features. It also integrates well with other tools you might already be using, making it a much better option for scalability and support. And here's something for you. If you sign up through our link, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial of competitor software, and it comes with some amazing benefits that you won't find anywhere else. Plus, we'll also throw in a few extra alternatives you can explore, all of which have free trials available. That's right, better tools, better support, and more features, all at no cost to try out. If you're serious about making the switch, check out the link in the description for the best deal on the market right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.